Before you begin, remove the optical drive, base enclosure, battery, wireless module, primary storage drive assembly, display panel assembly, and hinge cover. Removal. Important: the edges of the display bezel are held in place with adhesive. Take care when removing them from the display enclosure. It may be necessary to use a non-metallic, flat-bladed tool to aid in the removal. Carefully pry up the inside edges of the display bezel from the top, sides, and bottom to disengage it from the display enclosure. Remove the display bezel. Reverse this procedure to install the display bezel.